Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you posted one video or multiple videos and you're not getting the traction that you normally get, maybe you're only getting a couple hundred views, there are certain steps that we can take to definitely get that fixed. I'll walk you through them in order of the most important to the least important. Now, first just open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. From here, tap on Profile at the bottom right. Tap on those three lines at the top right. Tap on TikTok Studio midway down. Scroll down. Tap on Account Check. Essentially, this will do a check of your account and all of the videos to make sure it's not a community guidelines violation or issue that's preventing your videos from gaining traction. In my case, it says no outstanding issues. If that's good for you, let's tap the back arrow and back again. Now, from your profile, tap the three lines at the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Privacy. At the top, it says Private Account. If this is turned on, essentially no one will be able to see your videos unless you approve them as a follower. This could be the reason why you're not gaining traction. So if that is turned on, turn that off and hit switch. Next, let's hit the back arrow at the top left. Back again. And go to a specific video that you recently posted, in my case, this video. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. At the bottom here, scroll over until you find Privacy Settings. Tap on that. You can see in the individual video, you want to make sure this is not set to only you or to friends. This will limit the audience. So switch this to everyone and make sure all of your videos that are not performing well are switched to everyone. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap on those three lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, tap on Audience Controls. You can see age 18 and older. Limit your profile, future videos, and live streams to only those that are 18 or older. If this is turned on, it will limit all of those videos and the audience. Make sure to turn that off if your videos are appropriate for people that are under 18. Next, if all those don't work, let's tap the back arrow, back again. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Free Up Space. On here, we're going to tap Clear the Cache. And then we are going to exit out of the TikTok app and open up the App Store or Google Play Store and download and install an update. And you might also want to check to see if the TikTok servers are down, and that's the issue that you're having. I hope this helped. If it did, hit the like button and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it.